One thing that gave me joy today is the number of teachers I'm seeing in this school. Because I remember some time ago, I came to one of the schools, I saw just 2 or 3 teachers, but today I'm seeing over 20. That shows that we are on the right direction. We're going to bring the light into this school. We continue to upgrade this school for the betterment of our children.
When His Excellency the Governor came into office, this place was like an eyesore for the den of nefarious activities. But the Governor gave the clear instruction. Having pronounced the state of emergency on schools, he gave the clear instruction that every child in Edo State must go to school in a conducive environment. And what you are seeing today is a testament of a governor who is committed, a testament of a governor who is passionate about every Edo child.